Number 3000. Breakout to 1,500, pattern altitude is 1,000 feet for the initial.
602, 1,500 foot over at 1,000 foot the pattern, and left or right brake.
Private 21.
Left brake, please.
It's a lot of plane. It's a lot, and it weighs more than anything we've ever flown before. It's also a lot faster and a lot more powerful than anything. It's got a lot more thrust than we've ever touched. It just like wants to go to the moon, you know?
The primary mission is ASW, anti-submarine warfare, but intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, using all the sensors that are inherent to the aircraft, whether they be sonobuoys for tracking submarines, the radar, the cameras, all those pieces of the aircraft go into the multiple mission sets that the P-8 is able to accomplish when it goes out over the horizon.
I think the P-8 is the most relevant aircraft that the Navy has today. You turn on like any 24-hour news cycle, more than likely you're going to see a P-8 on there. I can't tell you how many times, you know, I'll be in class or, you know, in the gym or something, and one of my friends will send me a picture like, "Isn't that your plane?" You know, on the news. They're always out there. So I think that in today's, you know, global environment, you know, having a long-range plane like this really gives us an advantage, and like I said, it's the most relevant aircraft carrying forward.
The reason why it's important to the fleet is it's the eyes and ears of the fleet and the fleet commander. So if there's anything that is of concern to the fleet commander, he's going to send out that P-8 to figure out what's going on for him and for his team, and then ultimately, you know, we become part of the solution, you know, all the way through the kill chain, finishing whatever target is required.
He gives a K-bar, which uses a brake. Yep. Oh, I'm not putting my helmet on.
Have you seen our plane cabinets?
We need to wear them when we're going below 1,000 feet now. Marker and flares and whatnot back here, so.
All right, let's see. We're gonna roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cruise release, speed brake lever down. NIS is off. APU is coming up. Exterior lights off.